Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix your hotspot. So let's say that it's not working properly. So first of all, open the settings, then move into the more connectivity options and open the portable hotspot. So first of all, if you have issue that your hotspot is automatically turned off, just be sure that you disable this function. Turn off hotspot automatically. So once you turn it off, your hotspot, it's not going to be turned off automatically. Next, if the devices are connected, but they actually cannot use the internet, maybe you turn on the one-time data limit. Be sure that you actually turn off this function. Next, you can also go below and find with the connected devices if, for example, there is no some kind of the limit for connected devices. So if you select like limit for the 2 devices, but you want to connect with the 3 or 4 devices, you'll be not able to do this. So be sure that you select unlimited and also check if the device is not added to the block list for some reason. But if it still doesn't work, I will highly recommend you to go into the more connectivity options one more time, but now we'll have to scroll all the way down, select reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and the Bluetooth, and it actually gives us opportunity to reset all networks settings. So click here and now you can tell me if it works. Please subscribe to my channel.